Okay, in this short screencast, I'll show you how to navigate through different uh, Chrome DevTools panel elements. Chrome DevTools panel elements, which is short for Chrome Developer Tools uh, panel elements. Okay, the Chrome DevTools has got different panel elements. Of course, what I'm showing you is just a simple page that I was creating. Now I'll just use this one to just show and uh, demonstrate a few of the DevTools that you will be looking at. First of all, there are a number of ways you can access Chrome DevTools. Now, uh, for someone who doesn't like maybe shortcuts and stuff like that, let's just use the easiest method here. You right click on your web page, go on the context menu that you see, go on the inspector, on the inspect. Okay, there's view source, there's inspect. I prefer using this one here. The shortcut is this one here. So let's just use click on that one. Okay. Now what you see here, it's my web page on the left, and on the right here. What you see here on the top line here is what you call DevTools panel elements. These are the elements of the developer tools. These are the elements that you use. Okay, this one shows you the elements. The elements are, that is, you're talking of the HTML page elements. Remember, HTML page elements are made of what we call tags. Okay, the tags have got names for different elements. This one is a section, is an element. It's also section is an element. The body is also an element on its own. The body and the IV, the banner, what? Okay, so this shows the elements that you have on your web page. The console, this is the console that you have here. When we use console.log, basically the logged messages or the outputs that you expect to come display on this one. The sources show the uh, files from which the page is coming from. Okay, then you have got the network. If maybe you are making HTTP requests, the callback functions and stuff like that, that we basically perform over the when calling an external service. The tools for that one are these ones. And then performance, you can check. You have the lighthouse system and stuff like that on the developer, on the Chrome dev. The memory, uh, the application, you have the storage systems and stuff like that. There is even more. Okay, security, what, audit. So you can as well access some other things. For example, if I wanted the developer tools to show on the bottom of the screen, I just have to click there and I will see it here. Okay, and if I want to show them on my left, that's what I just have to do there. Okay, I prefer it on the right. So there you have it. Now here, let me show you how to use that is we're talking about the device mode. Okay, the device mode, of course, this is my web page. Now let's see how this web page will look in my device mode. If I click there, now I'm in the device mode. Okay, I'm simulating how my page will look in a device, in a mobile device. Remember, this is not the actual mobile device. So take care. What you see here, however it looks here, it might not be the way it will look in your actual mobile device. There is a way, of course, to connect um, your that is your developer tools, so that you can use your actual mobile device. I'll give you a link in this post on how you can configure that. That is Chrome Developer Tools page has got plenty of tips on how you can actually achieve that. Okay, now say if I want to change um, this the device. Say I have a smaller device or I have a slightly bigger device. I just have to go there. It shows the device that I have to use. Say if I want to use iPhone 6, that's it. It changes to that particular device. Okay. If I just want to check the responsiveness, not using the device, I just have to click there. Okay, and then adjust it as necessary. Okay, so that's how it will be looking. As you can see, this my web page here is not as responsive as it should be, because this element here, the image is going over my text. Okay, so that means if I'm developing for mobile devices specifically, so that this page should fit properly on the mobile devices, that means I will have to adjust this so that it actually looks nice on the mobile devices. Okay, so that's just how you use and access the uh, developer, that is Chrome developer tools.